Okay, so welcome guys back to the seventh day of Derivative a Day. We've been doing this for a week now. This is our first full week. And with that, I want to bring on a bit of a new topic to start. One I know I need to grow in quite a bit. I've done it plenty of times before. I've done it plenty of times before, and I can do it. It's just I need to get quicker, and that being the chain and compound rule. So we're going to be practicing this one and all of its alternatives a little bit over the next few days, just to get really familiar with it. I'm going to start off with one that's just sort of a bit of like a refresher. And hopefully from there we can make it a lot more advanced. I know I've already even thought of the next few questions, just because I know they'll definitely challenge me, and hopefully you guys as well. But d dx f g, just in case you don't know what the chain rule is, I'm just going to write it here. Times by, and I think it's the derivative. I've got it written down beside me here. I'll check it. Yep. So this is a chain rule, and when we use this is pretty much, let's go to a lighter blue. That'll do. It's when we have like an outside function that I guess you could say encapsulates like an inside function. So if, like in this case, we have this inside term or function here, and outside of this function is completely enclosed within this outside function. It's all being raised to the power of 5. So we use the chain rule here, so we don't have to like expand it, you know, like all out and then derive all of that, which would take a bit of time and be a bit tedious. We can just apply this rule here and get it over and done with like pretty quickly. So yeah, pretty much what this is saying is now that we take the derivative firstly of our outside function. So leaving the inside function alone, we just take the derivative of whatever's out, like our f of x. So this means that dA dB, which is the derivative of our whole function, will equal, well, this is just the power rule here, assuming that we're just leaving this inside alone and we're just taking the derivative of it. So we bring the 5, that looks like a 6. Bring the 5 out. Squared minus 2. If it makes it easier, if you follow the Integral a Day channel, this, like we've been doing something over there called like U substitution. This isn't exactly, it isn't the same as that really, but I do see a lot of people, they swap the inside function out for like a variable u, which makes it a bit easier to sort of grasp inside your head. But I sort of just want to practice writing it down for myself. There'll be heaps of tutorials online if you need a hand. And now for the second part, we multiply this first derivative by just the derivative of the inside function. So this here is g of x. So we're taking outside all of this is f of x. So we're just taking the derivative of g of x. So we bring the 2 down, that makes this 10b. And then this constant here just disappears. So we're multiplying it by 0. So now we just simplify it. So this here can go across, and multiplying these together, it becomes 10b. Ooh, got that wrong. 50b 5b squared minus 2 to the power of 4. So I would say that this here now is the derivative of this function here. I'm not sure whether Symbolab is going to simplify this further. If you guys would expand this, let me know in the comments why, and how you would have actually done this in a better way, and I'd be really interested to hear that. But for me, I think this is actually the derivative here. In fact, yesterday, for the derivative in that channel, one of the guys on the Instagram page pointed out that Symbolab, we could have actually expanded the brackets. When Symbolab chose not to do that. However, you're going to have to go watch yesterday's video if you want to know what I'm going on about here. But I thought I made a bit of a mistake, which I did in some respects, but not complete. It wasn't a complete and utter mistake. I need to focus. Cannot write. Ooh, it's not a 3. So we've got 5b squared minus 2. And this has been derived with respect to b. Let's go. See what they got on the Symbolab. So 50b, 5b squared minus 2 to the power of 4. 50b. Yep. So according to Symbolab, this here is actually the correct answer. If you do think this is wrong though, or you have a better way of solving this, just let us all know. It'll help everyone out. But yeah, have a good day, and I'll catch you all here for tomorrow's video.